Hey, it's Eran here. Hope you're doing well. Welcome for this live landing page challenge where we're going to build 2 landing pages today. So I have Pete and Kate. I think it's Carla, but Kate is the name that I see. Pete is in the UK, and I'll bring him on in a second. We're going to do his first. We're using Systeme.io to build his landing page funnel. He's done great preparation. We have a landing page, opt-in page, thank you page, and an email sequence with a lead magnet. And I think it's an audio lead magnet, which I don't think I've done before. So that would be a cool thing to actually show people how to do as well. And that's pretty much what we'll do today. And then Carla, we're going to use Kajabi for that one. So Pete, great to see you. Okay, Kentucky Carla, awesome, nice to see you. Patchwork Breeze, yep, now we're live. Yes, start automatically. Hey, Shervon, great to see you. Dimitra, great to see you as well. Awesome. I see there's at least a dozen people join us already. So yeah, we'll just get started, and I will bring Pete on. So Pete, we should be able to see you in a moment. It says your connection is a little bit unstable, it looks like, and we can't actually see your picture yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, can you hear me, Pete?
No, I can hear you fine. Yeah, I've got full bars. Everything's working all right. Can you not hear me?
Not sure if you can hear me, Pete, but I'm going to go ahead and share screen in a second, and we'll just build out your landing page regardless. And hopefully, yeah.
I'm here. If you can't hear, I'm not sure why you can't hear me. Hey, Linda, you haven't got
while
this
we
down, have you?
figure that out, Carla, maybe we'll do yours first. Yeah, Carla, let me know if you're there, and then we'll do yours first if I can get Pete on. So a little bit of updates for anybody that might be interested as well. Once we're done with setting things up here today also, then we will do, I will also do a bit of Q&A on people that have asked different questions as well. And hopefully, this from the templates and coaching membership, there's a bunch of questions from last month because I was traveling. I didn't do a live Q&A this month. So I will do that today. So that'll be good. So you can expect that as well. And then I have a bunch of people who submitted their website and stuff to get like a little feedback. So I'm happy to do a little feedback as well if we have time. And yeah, so that's what we'll do. Okay, I'm just logging into the different accounts. Okay, Pete, I'm logged into your account. And Carl, I'm just going to log into your Kajabi account as well.
So you can't hear me at all?
Hey, Carla.
Is that right?
Or Kate? It seems to be. Oh, is it Kate? Is it?
I think it might be your internet that's stable.
This is the beauty of doing things live. Okay, Carla, I'm logging into your account now, so we'll get yours done first. Okay. Carla, if you want to join me on the link. Yeah, I'm in a co-working space actually, so it is a little bit loud. I mean, I'm actually in a private room, so hopefully it's not too bad. Okay. So let me call us content to start with. So I'm going to share my screen. Carla, once you're on, let me know. There you go. I can see you coming. Okay, perfect. Hey, Carla. Not sure if you can hear me. Sorry, guys. It seems to be not working the live for me at my end, even though it's all good. Can people in the chat hear me properly? If you can let me know. Sorry, guys. Appreciate your patience. I'm just trying to figure out why I can't actually bring somebody on. Okay. Hey, Carla. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ah, perfect. Okay. Okay, good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
And then
There
we'll
was a lot
build.
of confusion there.
Yeah. Anyway, we're on, so we'll get started. So this is your content for Kajabi, which is great.
Okay.
And then did you already start creating the landing page by any chance anywhere, or should I start from scratch?
I did not start. No.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is the Kajabi site. Typically, we use it under Pages. And then we go to Landing. And then under Landing, we can create a new landing page. What's this stuff you have already here? Is this different templates that you've done or used or tried or something, or?
Anything in there right now, those are either things I've used, or a couple of them are templates I started and never finished. I've got some webinar replay pages on there.
Okay,
But I don't.
so we'll just start from scratch.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go to a new landing page. Now Kajabi has a few nice templates. You want to pick on Kajabi, there is opt-in. So you want to pick the opt-in templates, basically, like this one, for example, or this one. These are two are nice. This one's nice as well. Do you have a preference on which one you like? This one, or
I
this
didn't really
one?
think about it.
That's okay.
I do have a welcome video, so I don't know if there's one that works better. I haven't thought about
A welcome video on the opt-in page?
Oh, no, it's a thank you page. Sorry, never mind.
Okay, yeah, we'll do the thank you page separate, but the opt-in page, do you have a preference or not really?
We're changing the font anyway, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm not
and the
sure
background
what
image
would
as well.
be best.
Let's just look at your content. Find the perfect shoes, learn this image. Nice. Do you have this image, like this thing? Do you have that in Canva on its own?
I think I created it together. I put it, I don't know. Oh, let me check.
Yeah. Can you share with me the Canva template for this?
Yes.
That'll be great. Yeah. Then I'll tweak it to make it fit on the Kajabi thing. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And the background is good. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose this template from Kajabi, and then we will just replace it with your image that you sent me.
Okay. I'm logging into Canva. I'm not at home. I'm traveling, so it's.
Okay.
I'm on all these. I'm not on my laptop. I'm on my phone and my iPad.
Okay.
So
No worries.
whenever I get this
I'm in
Canva link.
Yeah, it's all good. We're all kind of maneuvering. Great to see you, David. And Patchwork Breeze, good to see you. Jennifer, great to see you. John, nice to see you as well. Okay, so now this is created, this page. Canva.
So do you are you saying you want just the mock-up on the iPad, or you want it in the square that it's already in Canva?
It doesn't matter. Just give me the template. I'll figure it out.
Well, I have two.
I'll give you both in.
Okay.
Yeah, the one that's with the background image, it's better actually.
Okay, the one with the
complete
text and everything.
Yeah, like this entire thing. That's better.
Okay.
Because then I can just
All right.
take each piece.
Who do I share it to?
You could put it in the private chat, or on Messenger, one or the other.
Oh, just send the link. Okay, I'll send it in Messenger. Okay.
Okay, so this is an image. Interesting. Okay. And get the 3 bullets. In this guide you will learn. That's good. Send it to me in Messenger?
I sent it in Messenger, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, I need to make this background white. Oh, that looks, I know it looks like crappy still. We'll get there. Let's leave this. Okay, so look at Facebook. We'll go to Canva. Okay, nice. Now let's duplicate this. Duplicate this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make this the background image.
Okay, it is.
Which is what you wanted. Right?
It's bigger, and it's you can make it less translucent if it needs to be on Canva.
We'll see how we go. Typically with this stuff, it's always just upload and see what it looks like, and then we'll play around.
Well, it's actually a rectangle, so
yeah,
the original photo, if that's necessary.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I get it. This what it like? What do you reckon? Like in terms of background image, you know it looks ugly still. But the background image, happy with that?
Yeah, I mean, I can always change that if I need to.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's go back to this block. Okay, so now we got to do a form. Now the form is elsewhere. This is not your font, right?
No.
Okay. Style guides. What's your font again?
I think I was saying Quattrocento for Quattrocento sans for the body text, and yeah.
Do we have that in Kajabi?
Oh, is it not in there?
No. Oh no, they do. They do. There you go. That's good. So Quattrocento is the headline. I did it the other way around. So you can see here, this is the body font, and this is the other one. Okay, and colors-wise, dark purple is the headline, like the headlines or the text.
Well, probably, I wasn't sure. Those are just two colors that I use a lot. But it might make sense to have the body text black if it's more readable.
Yeah.
I don't want to sacrifice readability. I don't think the turquoise on white.
Yeah,
would be
yeah, yeah.
very-
Okay, let's just play. Let's just see how it looks. Let's click on save. It should automatically change the font. There you go. Okay. Now we'll get the form created. And then you wanted the image, right?
Yeah, for the lead magnet.
Yeah.
So do you think it's best to, I've never created a form in Kajabi because I use ConvertKit, and sometimes I'll create a form there and stick it in Kajabi. But I guess if I use a Kajabi form, I can still use Zapier to send all my.
We don't actually need to use Zapier. We can. Are you using ConvertKit?
Yeah. Oh, does it integrate with Kajabi automatically?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah. For this one, you want to do what's called group, so it's kind of stays together. So then when I move it, it's going to keep it together. And then let's see, where does this fit in? Let me just show you a couple of ideas. So first of all, we can do yeah, exactly. We'll put the image here basically instead. So let's get video or an image. Okay, let's download this. Now with this one, what I'll do is I'll resize it, actually, before I export it. So the height is going to be the same. The width will be say 880. Okay. Download number 4. For the image. Nice. Okay, so a couple of things. Let's delete this one. Okay. I am a couple of things. I made a mistake when I export this. I need to export it as transparent so that you won't see the white in the background.
Right.
And then it will be fine. So let's do that again. And by the way, they will end up being, the photo will end up being slightly smaller, just because we haven't added format. So once the form is added, you will see the photo will be a little bit smaller than the whole.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Save. See, there's no background. Now it's transparent on the background. If you don't mind, I will just add one thing on the headline. I would actually say free download
Okay.
on the top. Did a checklist or an ebook or?
Yeah, it's a PDF.
Okay. Yeah, cool. And this one, we can also do, grab your brain so I can see how that looks. Didn't pick up on the color. No. Okay. Now we're going to create the form. So the form is created under marketing. And under forms. I'm just going to label it landing page challenge. Just,
Okay.
and then you can change it.
Okay.
You do double opt-in or single opt-in?
Single opt-in.
Okay. Cool. So then you see here where it says send the contact to a third-party provider.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there you go. ConvertKit. You've already got it connected.
Okay.
Which form ID do you know?
I'm having to log in as a guest on this internet.
Okay.
So I can look at all my forms and make sure.
Yeah.
Maybe I could just use, does it have a drop-down list when you go on there, or no? I'll have to give you.
We have to put the form ID. You could add that later if you need. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So the way you do that is just click on send the contact to a third-party email provider and then add the form ID. Okay, cool. And then email campaigns. Did you already create the campaign, the email sequence, or is that something that needs to be created?
Well, so I didn't know if you were planning to create one in Kajabi. I do have a welcome sequence already. I already have one in place in ConvertKit, so I could just use that one. It's the same.
Yeah. So we won't do that integration at the moment just because that's the point of adding it to the form, right? Like if you've got the emails going from ConvertKit.
Yeah.
Okay. So I won't touch that for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to go back here. And then you click here on the click form to display. And then we select the form. And then landing page challenge Eran. Okay. Get the guide. Oh, yeah. It's the primary colors.
Use the turquoise if you don't mind on the button.
Yeah, for sure. So this is where this color by default is the turquoise. The green, it's because it's set up in the settings that way. So you go to settings, style guides, and you can see the primary color is that green. That's fine. So we're going to make this one primary color. And the button color. And then it will change. Okay, there you go. How's that? That looks nice. Cool. Alrighty. look at your thank you page. Oh yeah. Let's do an exit pop-up as well before we go. Is this have you used Kajabi to set all this up before, or is it the first time you're kind of seeing that stuff?
I've done some funnels, I've done like registrations, webinar registrations, and sales pages in here. So I'm basically familiar, but because I use ConvertKit, I'm always sending people over there for my email sequences.
Yeah.
But I haven't used these like exit pop-ups in Kajabi before.
Okay, here it is. And in the image, we can just use this latest that we had. And alignment, middle. And then the form will be the same form. Like that. Cool. Exit pop-up settings, layout settings. How's that?
Yeah, is that kind of a cream color?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I didn't put it in the thing I sent you, but I do have a color like that I use in my brand palette, so that works.
Okay. Cool. So this is if they try to leave, basically.
This is what? Oh,
When they try to leave. Yeah. I have found when I had a summit funnel that it was converting at 15%. And then when I added an exit pop-up, it jumped up to 35%.
Nice.
It definitely makes a difference. At least in my experience, it does.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're happy with this. Now we can go to the thank you page. Let's look at what you wrote. Oh, yeah, Facebook group, video. Nice. Recorded on Big View.
Yes. But it's the free version.
So you had like a little script?
I had a script there, which is very helpful. But I have the free version, so it doesn't let you caption it. But I did the trick that you shared in Momentum where I put it on YouTube and then downloaded the SRT file. So I haven't really looked at it yet, but I did that.
Yeah, that's nice. Awesome. Okay. These thank you pages look nice, actually. Like this one. Let's have a look at what you have there. We might just duplicate it. Yeah, that's all right.
Okay.
And we'll just add your video there. Okay, so changing the name, you just click here and click on Added Details. So with thank you pages, you want to uncheck this because you don't want it to be visible on the search results, whereas the opt-in page, you're going to want to keep it checked, and you want to optimize this content as well. Okay, so we're going to delete this. I'm going to put a video instead. Upload the video. Okay, let's look at your content for the thank you page. Thanks for joining. Why is this? Okay, here we go. Okay, close captions. Nice, you got the SRT file. Awesome. So how do you say you got the SRT file? You got it the YouTube when the free transcription video that I showed?
Yes. Somebody was asking in the chat. He
Yeah.
shared this in a Facebook group that we're in called Momentum, or a membership group that we're in. And
yeah, there's a video. If you search on YouTube, Eran Bucai free transcription, you'll find a video, and you can export the SRT file. Great little video, very nice. And in your email, we'll put this again, right? This one.
yeah, and I usually on all my thank you pages, I have that button. I make a button to let people join the Facebook group. So.
Yep, perfect.
I mean, I guess you could do it as a hyperlink like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Instead of
That's what we're doing. So let's grab the URL. And this is going to be very different because what we're doing now is we're using Kajabi. This is like a totally different process. Whereas we're going to build Pete's in a moment, and his is going to be on Systeme, which is going to be a totally different process completely.
Yeah, I'm interested to hear that, and I'm actually going to have to go because I'm the director of a camp and they need me. But
oh, you got to go and rush over.
I'll
Okay.
have to leave in 10 minutes. But will we be able to see the
Okay,
replay of this?
we'll be done before that. We're almost wrapped. So.
But in order to see you building one in Systeme, will we be able to see the replay of? You send it?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. A couple of things that I would do if I was you. Number one, it's not bad to have the video like this on the side. Like, it's not a bad deal, honestly. You know, but if you don't like the look and feel, also that's understandable. One thing you can do on the layout, you'll notice here that you can make these a little bit not so, like, give it a bit more space on the sides.
Yeah.
And then you'll notice that this is 6 columns, and then this is 5 columns. So you can make it still bigger. It's another option. And then the player accent color, let's use your turquoise as well. Or, yeah. Now you'll notice here on the image, you'll need a thumbnail. So what I would suggest is, like, we'll see what it looks like. I might actually pull an image anyway automatically, but you might need the thumbnail for that. Yeah.
You'll probably create a video thumbnail. Okay.
Yeah. And then this one should be caps. And also we'll change the color. Yeah. Cool. I think background looks nice as well. That pinkish thing. Personally. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So really the only thing we don't have is really just the email integration, but that's with ConvertKit, so that's a whole different thing. So we won't do that together.
Okay.
You'll need to get the form and stuff. But yeah, the last thing that we need to do is just to make the 2 pages talk. The way you do that is, you see here, send a contact to a custom thank you page on the form. And now it will automatically, when they subscribe, it will always go automatically to that page.
Okay.
Basically. Cool.
And would
before we wrap with you, do you want to just do a quick? Say it again.
Would I add a tag in ConvertKit, like add a tag to the form? Like, I want to tag these people so I know where they entered my funnel.
Yeah,
but
I think
do that
tagging is done through ConvertKit. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Pete, I see you. All good. We'll have you in a second. Before we wrap up with you, Carla. So everybody give a round of applause for Carla for doing a great preparation and all that. We got a nice little opt-in page and thank you page. So awesome. Carla, if you want to just give it a little quick snippet about your website, who you are, what you do, so people want to go check you out as well. I want to give you a little bit of exposure as well.
Oh, yeah, thanks. I'm from Appalachian, Kentucky. I am a traditional musician and dancer who's had a full-time performing career, but during the pandemic, I created a digital dance course, which is now a really nice part of my teaching and income stream. And my website is carlagover.com. So I'm just learning about all this online business stuff and, just figuring out how to do all this stuff. But it's been really amazing to me to have access to the bigger numbers of being online versus just people that are in my local area. I've met so many people from all over the world that are interested in learning this, and it's been really cool. So thank you so much.
Awesome.
Do you say
very cool.
Eran? Is that how I say your name?
Eran, yeah. Eran.
Eran.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, thank you. It's nice to
Yeah.
meet you a little
No
bit.
worries.
And I'm sorry that I have to.
Yeah, definitely. No, all good. So you know what you got left. So it's just the ConvertKit integration, and you'll pretty much be done. And then on the landing page challenge, once it's all finished and the landing page is ready to be promoted, submit it, and then I'll showcase it on the blog as well, because I showcase everybody's blog completion as well, the final link. So I'll showcase it on my website as well.
Okay, and so in this
So-
in this method that we're doing, I'm sending the. I just realized this was my final question. I just put the PDF in the email, in the first email that they
Correct.
get, rather than
Correct.
putting it on the landing page.
Yeah, you don't want to put it on the thank you page. It's a great point. You don't want to put it on the thank you page, because if they happen to enter the wrong email address
Mhm.
by accident or intentionally, it happens more than you realize.
Okay.
It happens all the time. Then they get the freebie and you don't get the email. So you want to definitely go to your email to check
Okay.
it out, because otherwise.
Perfect. Makes sense.
Cool. Alrighty. Everybody give a big shout out to Carla, and we'll get on to Pete next.
Okay. Thank you.
Carla. Okay. Alrighty. Pete, I hope you're ready. Thanks for your patience as well. Cool.
Hey,
Good to
can
see
you
you,
see me?
Pete.
Hey,
Yeah.
I don't know what's
yeah.
been going on. I've been here all the time. I can see myself on the little bubble, but it's
I
strange.
can see you, but when I try to bring you on, for some reason I just couldn't see your face and I couldn't hear you. But anyway, we're all good now. So
Hey,
I
great,
appreciate you
great.
waiting. Systeme, I find it a little bit easier to use, so we'll have an easier time
Great.
maneuver and stuff. So I'm already logged into your account. I've got your content as well. So bear with me. I'm just pulling it all up. And Pete, while I do that, why don't you just tell a little bit about who you are, what you do, just people have a bit of context as well.
Yeah. Hi there, everyone. I'm Pete Warnock, and I teach people how to use their breath to optimize their state. So I teach people how to use breathing to access really, really clean and high states of energy. It works with dealing with anxiety. It works with dealing with depression, and it really helps to boost your system. So I've been using breathwork for the last 30 years and teaching people how to change their life. Whether that be working through trauma or working through stresses. So, and I made an online course over lockdown, which I'm needing to sell. So I'm needing a page to kind of to bring people in for this. So,
Love that. Okay, perfect. Alrighty. So before I jump into your thing, I just want to answer a couple of questions that have come up here. So Michelle asked, what does it mean about the tip from you for the video and the SRT download? So SRT download, what that is, it's simply the file that you upload to have closed captions on a video. It's specifically applicable to Kajabi. If you want to have a video with closed captions, SRT file is the type of file. And I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that shows you how to create a free SRT file from using YouTube, basically. So if you go to Eran Bucai YouTube channel and search for free transcription, you'll see the video. And also the video, that was the question. And if anybody has any other questions, let me know. If not, that's okay. Well, I'll answer them in the end anyway, and then we'll just jump into Pete's now. So let me just share the right screen. 1 second. Here you go. Perfect. Alrighty. So now let me just ask you, Pete, are any of these, we're just playing on that landing page, basically?
you just cut out. I couldn't hear any of that. Sorry.
Oh, this is just random stuff, right? We're ignoring what's here, right? Pretty much?
Yeah. We're ignoring all of that. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do build an audience, and then your lead magnet, it's an audio, right?
Can we just add this audience to the whole audience, or to the audience that I already have? Because this is still going to go into, or will it automatically just add it to the whole audience anyway? I suppose it must.
Oh, yeah, it will add it to the email list for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
You will add to the list. Let me just ask you this. This is a guided meditation audio.
Yeah.
Good. So we'll call it guided meditation. And then you charge in British pounds?
Yep, I do.
Or, yeah, okay. This part is actually really important because this is the one thing that once you create, you can't change the currency. Right. So it's actually important we pick the right one. Pound sterling, is that right?
That's the one.
That's the one, okay. Okay, now we're going to go to squeeze page. This image. So we got this text.
I have added another image in there. I don't know which image would be better actually. So
Okay.
It all depends really. So either one of those.
Yeah.
Whichever one fits better.
Yeah. Do you have these Canva images by any chance?
The second one is a Canva image. Let me have a quick look. And
if you can show me the Canva link, that would be better.
Okay.
Yeah. While you do that, I'm just gonna pick a template.
Okay, I'll put that in our private messages there. There we go.
Yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. You're in my templates and coaching membership, aren't you?
Yeah.
I think you are.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let me just look at your courses. Okay, so this is the templates and coaching that you're part of. We're going to actually go to the templates and then find the right template for this.
Okay.
Okay. Let's grab your text. Don't worry about the colors. We'll get rid of all the pink in a second.
Oh. Yeah, that's not quite me.
No. This is the orange. This is your brand color, is that right? The orange thing?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. We won't make that the background by just adding it. These your brand colors?
My brand colors are on there. Let me. If I
These two,
send
the
you
orange
my
and the blue?
orange and blue.
Oh,
Blue?
no,
Blue?
this orange.
No. No, I'll put,
This one,
let me put,
this one. I got my colors,
put you
that's fine.
yeah, I've put my website in your little
This one.
thing
This
there.
one.
Is it that orange? Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, it doesn't look like that on my website.
Doesn't?
Okay. I just sent you a link to my website so you can see the colours that are on there, but I'm pretty sure that's. Let me go into find my site a minute.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't look like that. This is your website.
Okay, I'm just pulling
Yeah,
up
totally
the
different color.
colour codes.
There's a really
Okay, I've put
easy
the
way to
colour.
grab the... You got the color?
Yeah, I've got 3 colour codes that I've just put them in your chat.
Okay.
They're the 3 that I use.
Yeah, I see. Okay, I see it.
I mean, a lot of my website is white and black with the color to splash in there rather than using the color as much writing or anything like that.
Yeah. Whoa. Could you put it to me on Messenger? For some reason, it's not letting me copy.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go.
There we go.
But it's not comfortably letting me copy, so... Yeah, perfect. That blue?
No, it's not blue.
Okay.
It's orange.
There you go. And... Okay.
So the first one, the FBC 659, is the main color that I use for my website.
Okay. So now, this is image number 1 you sent me. Could you send me the other image as well? This is a nice image, by the way.
Yeah, I can't. I don't think I've got the other one in Canva.
Oh, really?
I can drag it. I can drag it into Canva from the Google Doc. I take it. Let me
Okay.
just see if I can do that.
No, you can't. That's why that's why I asked.
Can I not? Oh, why not?
No. I'm gonna try and make this thing as the background for the whole page. I think it will look pretty cool. It's gonna give you that same vibe.
Okay.
Let's see what you think. And then Peter's assistant. Hello, Peter's assistant. I see you. Okay, so let's see how that flows.
I'll also, Kate, if you can hear me, do you know where the image for that, the meditation image is that we can send to Eran?
Hey Pete, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
I
you
can
well.
hear you, yeah.
Okay, great. I think we just
Hey,
took
love.
it from your website, the one with the art with the hands.
Oh,
Did
yeah.
we? Okay.
Okay.
I'll have a quick look.
That's all right. Lucy said she likes your copy, by the way.
So,
It is the copy. I like it. Get that from the website? Is that what you said?
sorry, say that again.
We got that image from your website, existing website.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. I can't actually see it on there.
Okay.
Okay, let me go into my images. Yeah, I can't find that image on my website. Where the hell has that gone?
Is there any other ones that we could take? I haven't.
Let me go into Canva and see what else I can find.
I thought we'd take it from the website and the ones we'd voted from.
Yeah, I don't know where it's come from.
And you need like a check mark where they say they agree to accept emails and all that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I found a kind of similar image. I'll put in.
Okay.
I just sent that in a link to you in the chat.
Yeah. Messenger or the other one? Oh, the other one.
No, the other one.
Yep. Okay, I see it.
I mean, what is the best aspect that you want? What is the best aspect for it? Is it better as a long, thin one, or is it better as a square, or how do you? What's the best?
Honestly, it's something that we always test how it looks. Yeah, it's nice. This would look actually nice for a background image, but have a look like what I did here. I'm just gonna get rid of the pop-up. But you could see here how this looks right now. Let's get your font right so I can look at the sizing. What's the font again?
Open Sans, I think. Let's have a quick look.
Open Sans, okay.
Yeah, Open Sans.
Okay.
Yeah, can we have that? Or can we have the other orange? And I mean, the other. I suppose it's easy enough for me to change, actually. But I mean, that's.
Oh, you can tell me what you want. Which one? There.
Okay, so
This one as well?
was the. Yeah, I mean, basically all of the writing needs to be all of the when it's not black, and I'm fine for a lot of it to be black. But when it's a boldish something, then having the lighter orange, which was I think is the FBC 659. That's the main color on my website, so I want to have it congruent with that.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah,
and I mean, if it shows up well, does it show up well? I mean, yeah, I think so.
It's a bit light, to be honest.
It's a bit light, to be honest. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll go with what you think.
Yeah. Okay, let's make this. What do you think about this icon? So? Look at audio. Something like that, maybe?
Whereabouts? I can't quite see.
This one. This little icon.
Oh, that. Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Yeah. And when I go in to change the color, if I do want to go in and change colors and stuff like that, I just click on that and it will bring up the colors and I can change that, can I?
Yeah, you just go down and click here.
Yeah.
And then this one. You can play with the icon. See those icons here on the left?
Mm-hmm.
Just gives it a bit of a different feel.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. I wonder whether the 7-minute free 7-minute guided audio breathing meditation, that's long, isn't it? I mean, maybe just free 7-minute guided breathing meditation.
Say it again?
Take out the audio, I reckon. Doesn't really need audio, does it? And also there's, okay, that's good. Yeah. After the changing your state in less than 10 minutes, does that need a full stop after it? I don't think it really does.
No, not really.
Cool.
Okay, that looks cool. On the form, let's test something. I know I'm being a bit picky here, but let's just see. See that? Instead of the gray, it's a bit more branded to you, right?
Yeah. Cool.
It's a little bit more like you wanted, you know?
Yeah.
And I think the bullets also can actually be that lighter. Like it's okay if it blends in a little bit. Didn't like that, actually. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, now can feel. Let's have a look at this. What do you think? Like smaller or medium like that?
We'll go back. I like that.
Yeah, I think so. I agree.
Yeah.
Let's do. Yeah, that's okay. That's good. I think that looks cool. All right. And then we want to remove this system thing on the side. We don't want that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You were talking about maybe changing the image behind it to the other one. Would that be a better one?
Yeah, we can explore that. Let's just have a look. So let's just do. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this a little bit bigger. So that's resize. So the height is okay. So the width. Let's do 1, 3. Okay, let's see how that looks. And then let's do this. This part is the SEO part, which is important for your thing. Banish overwhelm and anxiety with a free 7 minutes guided meditation. Right. What's your company name again? Naturally ecstatic.
Ecstatic.
Naturally
naturally ecstatic. Although this is actually going to my Bulletproof Breathwork page.
Okay.
I have. I mean, I would say with naturally ecstatic, probably actually because Bulletproof Breathwork is my style of breathwork, but it's by naturally ecstatic. So yeah.
Okay.
Or even by me, Pete Warnock. You know.
Oh yeah.
Probably.
Let's do that. What's your last name again?
Warnock. WAR.
Yeah.
NOCK.
Yeah. Now you see here the social image. This is what it's going to look like on when you share it on social media. So this part is important. We create a little image.
Okay.
So, and then we're just going to take the text and we'll duplicate this, paste this here, make this bigger.
Yeah, I mean, if a lot of my branding. If I show you, let me just send you a thing. I often have writing like that over an orange banner. Let me just find that on Canva for you, so you can see how a lot of my social stuff goes out. Let me just go into Canva. I need to do that from Canva, don't I?
I will give this template to Kate so she can adjust it because this might not be exactly how you want it.
That's cool. Yeah.
But at least we'll get a feel for it.
Yeah. If you do it that, I can always add the thingy in anyway. So.
Yeah.
I mean, would if I wanted a color behind it, would I need to do that? I'd need to do that in Canva and then add the image. I take it into
yeah, we can add it behind. Like, let's just say I'm just going to grab the color now, and then so. But again, you'd want it to be lighter still.
Yeah, let me show you.
Right. This will actually look okay better for the social share image. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay, I've just popped this in the chat again. There we go. That's kind of how a lot of my things come out.
Yeah. Okay, we'll
for a lot of my let me show you. For a lot of my social media stuff, I have a kind of the orange color as a kind of fade over the top of everything, and then of images, and then just have the writing white or something like that on top of it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can find it.
Yeah, you can adjust that, but I'll just show you how to set it up.
Yeah.
So here it is, and then to the background image. So right now there's nothing. Let's just upload the image again. So this looks cool as well, I think. They both, I think, are relevant.
Yeah, I like that. That's good, yeah.
I think this is can be a little bit more. But anyway, that's just me being.
And
This looks good
there's
anyway.
no option to fade, and there's no option to fade it in Systeme.
Not inside Systeme, no, because whatever image you upload, that's the image. I mean, you can. Let me just do a little test. So you can do something like this. Yeah, you can fade it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, you can fade it. There you go. That looks all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Alrighty. Let's make this button a bit smaller.
Would you suggest having a video instead of an audio on one of these things, or is that it doesn't really matter?
Oh, you mean the lead magnet, the freebie video, or you having a video here telling them to subscribe to opt in?
Either.
Look, I think it's a great question. I have found that at least with a landing page, it's usually so like it's such a quick decision. You know, they either like the headline. I feel the headline is way better, way more important.
Okay.
So as long as you have good headline, I think that's more important versus a video. I think a video is more important for a thank you page and for a sales page, basically.
Okay. Yeah.
It's my personal thoughts on it. Yeah. Try a picture of the hand in the background. I think might be better. Yeah, I agree, Marcia. Love your wording. Absolutely. Okay. Cool. All right. So that's that. Now let's do the thank you page. Okay, so again, we're going to go to the searchable library. We're going to grab the thank you page. There's actually a thank you page template already.
Cool. Hey, thank you, Marcia. Cool.
Yeah. And then we click on this, and it will automatically populate in your Systeme account, basically.
Okay.
Go to blocks. My blocks. Here's the thank you page.
Hey, Erin, it's Kate here.
Yeah.
We were just wondering, where does page kind of show up? Like, where do people see this? You know what I mean? Is it
What do you mean?
on the website?
Yeah, it will be on the website. Yeah. I'll give you the link at the end.
Yeah, so they just come to the website and it's like one of the pages.
Yeah, we'll give you the link at the end. You'll see it.
So what is the difference between this and the my homepage that already has a lead magnet kind of thing? What is the difference, and what is the benefit of it?
This is a distraction-free landing page. On your website, there's a whole bunch of stuff and distractions and whatever. So people can see this and be like, oh, work with Pete, this, that. That's all nice, but by the time they see this is they're already distracted.
Okay.
So the benefit of a page like the one you're seeing is that it's a distraction-free page.
Okay. And so would I then use that as the homepage rather than, or how do I get this out? How do I share this with people?
So on social media, that's the page you would link, basically.
That's okay. Okay.
Right? Like if you go, let's just go to Facebook, for example, like my Facebook. So if you look at my Facebook, you see here, I tell them, go to this website, right?
Okay.
And also on the link right here, I only have this one link. I don't actually have my homepage link because that's a distraction. I have this page, which is my landing page, because it's a free consult for software, right? That's just what's have worked for me specifically, right? This particular funnel,
Yeah.
right? And when you try to leave, there's obviously a pop-up as well. Yeah.
Okay. Great.
That's why. Yeah. And then your banner will also say, free guided meditation, XYZ or whatever, or banish overwhelm, the same thing of what we wrote together, right? Or what you wrote.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And I can look up the size of the banner in Canva, can't I? So that will just tell me what size I need.
Yeah, there's a template for that.
Yeah.
Well, you can go to the templates here in the templates membership and click on Canva. And you see here, Facebook profile banner.
Okay.
So there's already a template that explains how to do it.
I haven't even been into the templates and coaching membership yet. So
yeah. So you can log in and you'll see. So here you'll see there's already a full explainer on why that whole process is.
Fab.
Tutorial on how to do it.
Great.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, let's grab your thank you page content. You have a thank you video by any chance? Did you do one?
Thank you video? No, but I can.
Okay.
So
yeah, I think it's good to do one. Yeah, thank you video. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I can leave this here as a template, and then you just replace the link, or you upload the file, basically.
So this is in my where this is in the thing that you just my templates, is it?
Yeah, this is the thank you page. This is the thank you page we were creating, and under the templates membership. So there is the link for the Canva, and there is also under the thank you page there is a explainer on how to record a thank you video as well.
Great. Okay.
Yeah,
and that just tells me how to edit it in. Great.
Yeah. Okay, we don't like this background, right? We'll put a different one. That's nice. And then your color. Let's do your color.
And that's Open Sans.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, do that.
So when I go to change fonts, it doesn't give me the option to do Google fonts for some reason. So
really?
Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, you can see I'm using Google Fonts here.
Yeah, yeah. I just want to say to those people who are watching that whilst you're watching this, I really invite you to really slow down your breathing and notice how it makes you feel, just slowing your breathing down. We can change our state in seconds by using our breath.
Bit of free breathwork tips here. Bonus.
Thing is, there's no such thing as waiting. People wait for things, when actually, there's life is happening all the time, and often we miss it because we're putting our awareness somewhere else. So if we can put our awareness in ourselves and become really interested with our breathing, the more interested we become, the happier we become. Can we have that tick the same color as well?
Yeah. Which tick?
Right
yeah. This is an image actually. So we actually
okay.
can't. We have to create a different thing, but
Okay.
And we could just delete it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Let me just do something. Just try something.
Let's play with that, I think. It's not a particularly nice tick, is it? So.
No, it's not a very nice tick.
No.
And
I could always put an image in there, can't I? So
you can put an
easy
image,
enough.
Yeah. This is just crap. Yeah, okay. Let's get rid of this. Alrighty. Notice how it scrolls, but the image stays in the same spot as well.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
All right, so we got all that done. Now, okay. Now, email campaigns. So we got to create the email sequence. Now I'm going to show you something super cool. Bear with me here.
Yeah. I mean, we chose only to do 3 emails because, I personally hate getting tons of emails,
Okay.
When I sign up for something, if I get more than 4 emails, I just delete the whole bloody thing,
Yeah, right.
I can't stand it.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, so I'm going to show you some. Right now, there's just those 2 here.
Yeah.
I'm going to paste in the URL that my VA did. And here's the 5 emails that you wrote. Or 3 emails, whichever one you want to use. Which one is the first one? Email number 1?
What are those? Let me have a quick look.
Subject line, keep breathing.
Okay, so the first is...
Did somebody change the emails recently? Did you change the emails by any chance?
Yeah, we did. We changed them a few days ago.
Oh, no.
So.
Oh, a few days ago?
Yeah, I think so. Isn't that right, Kate?
Yeah, we changed them on Friday.
On Friday.
That is.
So the first one is keep breathing. Second one is more benefits of breath work. Third one is testimonial one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that was good.
That's the right one, right? That's the email, right?
Is that right, Kate?
Okay, so hey, first name.
I'm just checking. It looks right to me.
Yeah. Okay, and then we're doing
Yeah, that's right.
yeah. Little tip for you on emails. I know it's grammatically awful. Don't have paragraphs, have sentences. Because
Okay.
people are gonna read on mobile, and it's paragraph will take the entire. It will be too, in your face.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Too
Can we
squishy.
have that as my font as well?
Actually, no. Unfortunately, emails are a little bit limited on font style.
Wow.
Yeah, we can do visual editor. Let me just show you the difference. Let me just think. Oh yeah, there's those fonts. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's limited on the fonts. We could do Georgia. It's probably the closest.
I think Ariel's
We're
probably
done.
closer.
Ariel. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Very
how
cool.
regularly do these go out? Do they kind of send, like, when's the first one, when's the second one, when's the third one? Is it
As soon as they opt in, it will trigger. Yeah, we'll set that up in a
all three of
second.
them at once?
And
What's
then
that?
can they go out every couple of days, or because
Yeah.
again, I mean,
Whatever
yeah,
you want. Yeah, every couple of days.
yeah, that
So
would
if
be
you
good.
want to
So
check,
they're not just bombarded in the first couple of days, So
of course. But where's the first email? We actually give them the free meditation, the free guide, the audio. Because keep breathing is the first email.
I don't think we haven't made an email to go out with them. We sent you the audio and the PDF, but we didn't make an email for that. That was just a follow-up ones we
Okay.
did.
And what's this? Because there's 3 emails here. There's 5 emails. What are these ones?
We were going to put more testimonials in at the end, but actually we're just going to do what we may add them in after, maybe. But
Okay.
we just want
That's fine.
There's one testimonial, yeah.
So let's do a
Yeah.
welcome. So we're going to call this your guided meditation.
Yeah.
And then you okay with that?
Yeah. And this will have the link, or this will have the actual audio in it.
Yeah, correct.
That they can then download.
Correct.
Yeah, and the PDF. Yeah.
Oh, where's the PDF? I don't think I saw that actually.
Oh, yeah, it's got a PDF that goes with it. That was sent along to you for sure.
Yeah, let me just find it. Hang on, let me just find it. Changing state folder. That's the name of the folder you gave me.
Yeah.
It's called, there's changing state 1 and 2. There's 2 parts to it.
I can send you
really?
the Canva. I can send it to you in Canva. I've got it. I've got it as a Canva thing. So, where's that gone?
Oh yeah, I have the PDF as well. Yep, all good.
Yeah, the PDF. Okay.
Nice job.
It just gives them a little bit of background on how to use the meditation, really. So.
Yeah.
If I was to put a video testimonial in an email sequence, is that simple, or in as one of the emails, or
you just need to include a video. You just need to link it basically.
link it to so upload it to YouTube.
Upload to YouTube, and then you put the link in the email. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
You okay with that?
Yeah, let me just make it bigger. Can't quite see it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You happy with that?
Yeah. Great.
Cool. So save and publish, and this is going to be immediately, basically. So it's the first thing that they receive.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to go back here. And then the next email is the keep breathing. And this will be sent, 2 days later, you said, right?
Yeah, I think so. 2 days later, yeah.
Yep. So you put 2 and after guided meditation 2 days later.
Great.
Okay. And email number 3 is the more benefits, right?
Yeah, more benefits.
Okay. Nice. Okay, and again, save and publish. And after they keep breathing, and we'll make that 2 days after that. Is that right? Or 4 days after that? What do you prefer? I'll put 2. Oh, still with me?
We can't hear you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You can't hear me?
Okay. No, I just didn't hear for one
Lost
second.
Yeah. I dropped out. I've got Glastonbury Festival happening over here. So I live right next to Glastonbury, or right next to Pilton. So, and they just hijack all of the Wi-Fi and everything here, so.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you'll see, notice the green means these are published, ready to go. And you see this is instant. This is 2 days after this, and this is 2 days after this. Sorry.
Okay. And if I want to change that, I can just go in and okay, cool.
Yep. Totally. Yeah.
And then
let's change the name of the campaign.
So to add new ones, I just go in there and just add a new one if I want to, and I can just put in as many as I want in. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
So if I just want to keep adding a few more, even like a week later or something like that, then that's
absolutely
perfect. Okay, that's a good thing to know.
And then these emails, are they automatically put on the mailing list so that when we send out like newsletters, they will automatically go? We have to do anything with that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we need to create a tag. Okay, nice. So we'll do the way I do this usually is guided meditation lead. Usually anybody that's downloaded freebie, it's a lead, and when there's a purchase, I tag them as a buyer, basically. Just to make my life easier that way, so I know what's what. And then we create that automation here. Automation rules, add a rule, final step, subscribe, add action, add a tag. This one, add another action, subscribe to campaign. Okay. And then you already have an email subscriber list, right? Like you already have an email list, right?
Yeah, my internet's dropped out, so I can't hear you. Or no, I can hear
Oh,
you. You can't hear me. I'm coming in and out. So yeah,
okay.
we do have an email list.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll show
So
you a
if you
little. Go on.
go into my contacts, in fact, no,
Yep.
go into my tags. Yeah, go into my tags and see everybody who comes in. Everyone who comes in already
Mm,
gets added into scheduled.
love that.
Okay.
Love that.
So these people need to come into scheduled as well, because
Okay.
that's my default kind of email list.
Love that. Now let me ask you this, right? Have
Hmm.
those email subscribers received this guided meditation already?
No,
Would it be valuable for them to receive it and get
absolutely.
them engaged with you again? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now
Yeah.
this is something I have not shared with in the previous sessions. You're gonna really like this. This is going to be a hack on how you, with one click on the email, they'll be able to trigger the email sequence for them, so you can get them re-engaged.
Ah.
So you go to the thank you page, automation rules, click on add a rule. You're going to click on page visited. So page visited means when somebody visits this page, then you're going to subscribe them to the campaign. What that means is on the email sequence that you on your email newsletter now, you can actually give them this link and say, if you want the guided meditation, just click this button. They don't then have to enter their email even, because they're already on your list.
Yeah.
All they
Okay.
got to do is
Fantastic.
click, and it will automatically trigger that sequence and get them re-engaged with you. Cool.
Yeah. Great.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And then Kate, there's a tutorial on that. And I think what I would suggest, because I know ultimately your goal is to sell your course, right? I would
Yeah.
really encourage you to just go through the email sequence and just make sure that the call to action on each email is to send them to the sales page of the course to sell the course. So then when you're re-engaging your people, because they already know you, you've got 4,000 people that know you already, do some sort of a sequence that's going to sell them the course, basically.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's
Great.
what I would do if I was you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so alrighty,
And
moment of truth.
that would basically be in the email sequence after that everybody gets. That takes them through. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
Now the last thing we need to do is just change the funnel settings so it's going to be the correct domain. So we're going to do bulletproof breathwork or naturally ecstatic.
Bulletproofbreathwork.com.
Okay.
Yeah. At the I mean, your guy set it up, but at the moment it's showing a 404 error. But I think that's
that's
because
okay.
it's got nothing. Yeah.
That's correct. Now you'll notice I'm going to do a test now, so you'll see that now the page is actually going to be live. There you go. Cool. Now I messed up the pop-up, so let me just fix the pop-up.
Yeah. The pop-up needs some
Yeah, the
colors
pop-up
and
needs fixing.
font.
Yeah.
I'm feeling quite excited about it.
Yeah, got a little funnel happening here. I appreciate both of your patience, by the way. I know we've been at this for, a few weeks, a few months, preparing for this. Okay, let's do a little button that's a bit better here. And Now, I know you might not be a huge fan of this yellow background. I'll tell you why I do recommend you do it. Is because it's going to grab a little bit more attention. Because it's kind of like, it's kind of a last resort. Like, hey, don't leave empty-handed. So we want to make it a little bit in your face, if you know what I mean. This is like the last resort to get them to opt in, basically.
So that orange background, can you make that slightly transparent so that they can still see the hand through the back of it? Is that possible?
Well, on the pop-up, I really don't think it matters, because you want to. This is the pop-up. Think of the pop-up is your last chance of don't leave without downloading this guide.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the background, the actual thing doesn't look centered with the rest of it for some reason.
What do you mean?
It doesn't look centered with the boxes underneath and the text. It looks off.
Are you referring to this background?
The actual orange bit that you've popped on there.
It doesn't look centered. What do you mean?
No. So it doesn't look like it's in the center of the page. It looks like it's slightly off center a little bit.
It will be once you see it.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see. You will be centered automatically.
Right.
Let's grab this content again. Exit pop-up. Okay, let's make this a bit bigger. Okay. Let's do one more test. Okay, let's refresh. Cool, this is what it looks like. Alrighty. So let's do a test. I run. And then notice that if I try to leave, then this pops up as well, right? Or your audio is in and out. Anyway, that's fine. And if I try to do this, it actually won't let me because I got a tick as well. Now I'm going to tick it, and it will take me to the thank you page automatically. And then let me look at my email. I'll keep an eye out for the email. I'll probably receive it in a few moments. And let's just look here. You'll see here under leads. See, I got the email. This is the lead that just came in, which is me. Right?
Great.
You
Do you
can
want
see
to buy
which
my
funnel
course?
it came from. Unfortunately, no. But thank you for. I appreciate the hustle. Here's the tag. Email campaigns been added, and yeah, I will trigger momentarily, basically.
So if I add another email, then if I add another email, how does it know which one when it makes it next, or I suppose the first three are automatically three. So when I just add one, it will just put it in next in line, will it?
Correct.
Okay.
Unless you put it earlier, you change the sequence, at which point you'll mess up the sequence and whoever is already subscribed is not going to get the old ones. But if you just keep on adding them, following the existing sequence, it will just keep adding them and sending them. Yeah. No, your audio cut out again. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's have a look here. Yeah. Okay. I will let you know separately once I receive the email.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah. Now I can.
Okay. So if I want to change the sequence for whatever reason, do I just drag them?
No.
And that will.
Yeah.
No.
Good question. No, you don't just drag them. What you do is you would click.
So if I go into the Bulletproof Breathwork Program testimonial ones, and I want to add that, how do, so like the second one down, for instance, or first one down, yeah.
You would click on it, and then you would tweak it here.
Yeah.
And once you've done that, you would click Save and Publish, and then you would say, after which email does it get sent after? Like what is the sequence?
Okay. And then how many days? Yeah. Great. Fabulous.
Correct. That's right. Days, or you could do it by hours as well. So you can actually do like you'll see there's hours, minutes. You can have those options. And then let me just check one thing here. Yeah, they changed the interface. Yeah, I think you have to log in and change it. Here, this is where you would change the settings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would prefer they have it as a switch, but anyway.
So these emails. So when I just click under emails, that goes just purely down into campaign straight away, or is there a drop down? I can't remember. Let me have a quick look.
There's a drop down, and you click on campaigns.
Let me just
and then once you click on campaigns, you can click on this one.
Yeah. And normally for my emails, for my newsletters, I don't do it as a campaign. I just do it as a new email. Is that? Yeah.
That's right. Just click on newsletter. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Cool. Alrighty. Everybody give a big shout out to Kate and Pete for preparing all this awesome stuff. I think this really looks great. Yeah, great job. Well done. Yeah. And then, of course, once you two have tweaked the email campaigns and, maybe change the colors, or, if you want to do any other final tweaks, make sure you submit it so I can showcase this as well. And yeah, give you a bit of exposure.
Wonderful.
Awesome.
Fantastic.
Kate, do you have any questions or all good?
I'm all good. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot for joining, Pete and Kate. Really appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
We'll be in touch.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Great. Thank you.
All righty. So this is so cool. I'm about to teach 2 classes myself. Otherwise, I'll be hopping on this with you. How often do you offer this? So I do this. I would do it every week if I had the people ready. Today I only had 2 people ready, unfortunately. I mean, 2 is great as well. And you could see it took a bit of a, like, it does take time. Like sometimes a bit of back and forths and this and that. Sometimes it takes 15 minutes, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and that's okay. Like, it's not a right or wrong as well. And also today we did a couple of things which were very different. Like with Pete, we did an audio lead magnet. I don't think I've done an audio lead magnet live like this. So there's just variables like that as well. And also the hack that I showed Pete about how to get somebody to click on the email and get it like that. That makes a big difference as well. That's an amazing hack. If you already have an email list, when I did that, I made don't want to say thousands, but definitely a few $100s just from this one hack. So it's a really cool little way to get it, basically. So what I would say is, if you want to do this live with me, you can go to landing page. What I suggest, go to eran.link/challenge, download the checklist. If you want to do it done with you, i.e. with me on Zoom, on live like this, then you can pay for that. And also there's a whole preparation before that. So Pete already had onboarding calls with my VAs to get his domain connected and things like that. Same with Carla. So that's just going to be part of the process. So there's a whole checklist on how all that works, okay? So if you want that, just go to eran.link/challenge. If you can DIY it, great. If you want to get hands-on support, just buy the challenge, the done-for-you version, basically. Otherwise, I definitely want to answer a bunch of questions. If there's people here, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. And otherwise, I will just, even if there's not a lot of people here, I will just answer a bunch of questions that have come up from last month's Q&A slides, like Q&A from the Temps and Coaching membership. So let me just look at the slides. Michelle, thanks for tuning in. Awesome. Hope you learned some things on Systeme. Okay, let me look at the questions. Okay, I'll answer the questions. I don't have to share my screen. I'll just answer the questions that have come up. Question number 1. It's a really random. I don't actually know the answer. How to send Amazon orders to Systeme.io using Zapier. I actually have no idea. You'd have to hop on Zapier and just connect the two pieces, basically. So I have a Zapier tutorial on my YouTube channel. So check out my Zapier tutorial on my channel, and you'll see how to use that to do this particular thing. I'd like to change the templates in Canva to match my brand. Can I do that? Absolutely, you can. So I'll do a little demo on that. I think it's a good little demo actually to show. So let me just share my screen. Bear with me for a moment. Okay, I'm just sharing my Canva. Okay, so in Canva, what you want to do is, let's just say we pick the presentation style. Okay, so you're going to click on presentation, and then let's see. Okay, it's going to give me a blank one. So you're going to pick one of these ones. Now hover on the left. Notice that it gives you a number of pages, 10 pages, 14 pages. Let's just pick the 14 pages. Then you click on apply all pages, and you'll notice that the color are, these are the colors. Now let's just say you want the background to be totally different. So you're going to click on it. You're going to click on change the color. You're going to click on, let's say, orange, like my brand color. And you see here where it says change all. Now you're going to click on change all, and notice all of these are going to change automatically. Okay. Now obviously this doesn't look very good, but anyway, the point is that's how you do it. Then you're going to change it this color. Click on text. Then we're going to make it this color. And again, you see change all, and you'll notice that it's going to change all the text color. Now you're going to have these bullets or these blocks. Again, you're going to click on change color. And let's say we're going to make it these ones or these ones. White, let's say white, okay? Then you click on change all. Then you will see it's going to change all those boxes. And again, all of these ones, depending on what this style are, it's basically going to be changeable. So it's going to change everything else, basically, okay? Text, again, we're going to do this, let's say white, and then change all, and you'll see it's going to change everything. So every one of these is going to change, basically, okay? So that's how you change the colors on Canva. Alrighty. Next question that I have is, have you considered creating a challenge funnel template for us? Please do. Yes, I have a challenge funnel being created. Let me show you what it looks like so far. Okay, let me share my screen again. So you notice here, if you go to YouTube Eran Bucai challenge funnel, you're going to see how to set up a 5-day challenge funnel. You can watch this video, number 1. Then you see there's part 2. Watch part 2. I don't have part 3 yet because I'm working on part 3. Part 3 is actually going to be released in the Templates and Coaching membership. And part 3 is actually going to be a template that's going to be released this month, which is called How to Pre-Sell Your Digital Product, i.e. how to create a digital product, but sell it before you create it. That's going to be the template. So that's going to come out. And I think people are going to love this one. It's currently with my video editor. It's already been created. And it's going to be freaking awesome. So that will be part 3. That will be specifically in the Templates and Coaching membership. Part 4 is then going to be me building out the funnel, which is the next step that I'm doing. And then part 5 will be to create the actual course area of the challenge as well. And part 6 will probably be all the automations. That's kind of like, so when I got this suggestion already, but honestly, like there is so much, and I didn't even realize how much work goes into a challenge. You know what I mean? I got a whole checklist set up, but if you're in the Templates and Coaching membership, I'm happy to share with you the checklist already because it is ready, but just bear with me because the checklist is still draft, okay? So if you want it because you're in an urgent need, I'm happy to give it to you, but it's not officially released yet, okay? And then that will all be released. I don't know about this month, definitely by next month, because I'm creating 2 types of challenges, by the way. Challenge number 1, I'm showing you how to create a challenge, which is a paid challenge. And the second one is a free challenge, okay? So that's, again, there'll be a tutorial for each, checklist for each, template for each as well. And I think this is all the questions that I had, by the way. I didn't solicit a lot of questions. Now, I'll tell you, there is a bit of I'll tell you, there's a problem that came up as part of this Template and Coaching membership. I was kind of banking on hiring somebody to create the templates for me as part of the Template and Coaching membership. But I'll tell you the problem I ran into. I ran into a lot, because there's a lot of people that build templates, and that's all great. What I found is there's a fair amount of plagiarism. Is that the word? Plagiarism that actually takes place. What I mean by that is a lot of the beautiful templates that are visible on the Systeme account, Systeme Facebook group, I found that they go to Pinterest, find someone else's template, which is built on some other platform, and just duplicate that to Systeme. And that's great for them, I don't want to sell those types of templates, because to me, that's not the whole point of my templates membership. It's original freaking content. Okay. So it put me at a halt on the speed of how quick I can create those system templates, because all of a sudden I'm not sure how original they are, basically. Because I was actually going to buy a bunch of templates from other people, and then all of a sudden I'm like, well, I don't know which one is original, which one is not. How do I verify? So I'm kind of building on my own at the moment because of that fear. If I have a solution to that, of course, I'd love to hire somebody to do this for me / with me. But at the moment, I just have to kind of build it out as I go because of that concern, because I don't want to share in my membership, for obvious reasons. Like, that's just not, that's not correct. So anyway, I just want to share that little update with you. Cool. That's pretty much, I think that's enough for today. We've been here for 2.5 hours, and there's still like 10 people here, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, I'm happy to do another one like this, hopefully, as soon as we get more people who are ready. There is actually about 40, maybe 50 people, just so you know, who are on their pipeline to create their landing page. So as soon as we get that, it's going to be very, very awesome. So, but I definitely need more people to be able to do this. But as you can see, even 2 people, I mean, that's a lot of work right there. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. Thanks a lot, everybody, for tuning in. And if you have any questions for me, let me know, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.